In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Big Cartel account. Whether you're moving on to a different platform, closing your business, or just ready to make a change, I'll guide you through the steps to close your Big Cartel account in just about 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Big Cartel website. This is the starting point for getting into your account settings, so simply type in their main URL or search for Big Cartel, and you'll find yourself on their homepage. Once you're there, look for the login button. It's usually positioned prominently on the top right corner of the page, making it easy to access your account. Next, you'll need to enter your shop URL and password. If you've been managing your shop regularly, this should be familiar territory. After entering your credentials, click Login to access your dashboard, where we'll be doing most of the work today. On your Big Cartel dashboard, you'll see a variety of options for managing your store. Focus your attention to the account settings by clicking on the account option. This is typically located in the main menu area. Here you'll find all things related to your account details and preferences, including your plan and billing information. Now scroll down until you reach the section labeled Plan and Billing. This is where you'll find options related to your subscription and payment. Click on Manage Plan. This will redirect you to a new page specifically designed to handle plan adjustments. With this step done, locate the Close Shop button on the Manage Plan page. This is a critical step where you signal your intention to permanently shut down your store. Upon clicking it, you'll be prompted to select a reason for closing your shop. This could range from personal reasons to dissatisfaction with the service. Choose the option that best matches your situation. Once you've selected your reason, click Continue. Before the final closure, Big Cartel will ask you to verify your action by entering your password once more. This security step ensures that the action is deliberate and prevents accidental closures. Finally, click the Close Shop button to complete the process. This will initiate the closure of your store, removing your account and freeing you from any future billing. Be sure to double check all the details before final confirmation, as this action is irreversible. And there you have it, your Big Cartel account closure is complete. Remember that closing your store means you will lose all associated data